And we are nearing the closing part. So before we announce the winners, let's thank our mentors and all the people who helped make this event possible. Let me share my screen. So as I mentioned yesterday, we had mentors from various time zones with amazing industry experience and a lot of passion to help you girls through these 2 days. And they provided a wonderful immersive support. So we thank all our mentors from the bottom of our heart. Here's a mini PowerPoint presentation with each mentor and their title. So we have Adya Krishna. Adya is an user experience and product designer at Human Factors Research and Design. Kajal Patil, she's an associate consultant at GEP Worldwide. James McNabb, he's a product designer at FutureThought. Yoser Merchavi, she's a technology consultant at Ernst & Young. And she is from Tunisia. So she was up during the night to help the girls. Thank you, Yoser. The next mentor is Kira Hem. She's the director of Women Who Code in Seattle. Our next mentor is Ashish Bansal. He is the director of the recommendations systems at Twitch. Manish Patil, the one who helped with the Q&A, pitch Q&A session. He's a senior product manager at TIPCO. We have Jay Elkerton. He is a human-centered design leader at Pervasive Human-Centered Design. We have Shruti Chokalingam. She's a junior data scientist and a UC Berkeley graduate in computer science and math. Next, we have Supriti Ghosh. She is a computer science master's student at University of South Dakota. We have Neetu Agarwal, engineering manager at Google. Our ethics mentor, Jana Thompson. She is a research data scientist at New York University. We have Komal Sharma. She is a technology consultant at FTI Consulting. Katie Spalding, she is the senior solution engineer at Salesforce. Aruna Gummala is a lead software engineer at Think Surgical. Our next mentor is Riya Tosar. She is a director of product design at SAP. Our next mentor is Alnoor Ali. He is a postdoctoral scholar at Stanford University. We have Diane Sepsite. She is a user experience researcher at Code for Chicago. Our next mentor is Fahad Iqbal. He is a vice president, manager of operations at BlackRock. We have Lucinda Quintal. She's a software engineering intern at Upful.ai. Our next mentor is Rockwell Shah. He's the CEO of Pzzz. We have George Goodfellow. He's a co-founder at Curbside. She's, sorry, I missed her name. I think she's Hanifa. She's a senior legal counsel at Oracle. And we have Meena Shah, who is a founder and CEO of Meena Meetings. Our next mentor is Damin Ketude. He is an entrepreneur, data scientist, and a Stanford fellow. And our next mentor is Valeria Sarovic. She's a global delivery lead at PwC Labs. We have Helen Sartori. She's the director at Rattle LA. And our next mentor is Louis L., product manager at Walmart Labs. Thank you so much for all the wonderful mentors who helped the girls perceive their dream. The next person I would like to thank from my bottom of heart is the founder of Teens in AI organization, Elena Sinal. She invited me to host this Girls in AI hackathon in San Francisco. Elena is a Wonder Woman. She motivates everybody. Actually, this event is happening across 25 cities in multiple countries. So thank you so much, Elena. And also, Claire is the operations manager at Teens in AI. She was very resourceful. She's just a teenager, but she did a wonderful job in helping us plan this event. And also, thanks goes to Ed Beyond Me and Kate Kaspari. Kate is a marketing person at Teens in AI. And we would like to thank our sponsor, NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is sponsoring the Jetson Nano Dev Kit for each member of the top winning team. And not only that, they are planning to host a roundtable and mentoring session by their Women in Tech team with all the 3 top winning teams. Thank you so much, NVIDIA. We would love to thank our wonderful keynote speakers, workshop presenters, our great judges, panel of judges. And of course, we would like to thank from the bottom of the heart all the participants. Girls, without you, there would be no Girls in AI Hackathon. We applaud yourself for the commitment, the encouragement, and the passion that you put into this 2 days. I hope all of you gained something out of this hackathon. It's a time well spent. And last but not the least, thank you so much for our wonderful volunteers. Without you, this event would not have been possible. I would like to thank Meena Sundarapandian. She's our participant outreach and coordination. Thank you, Meena, for all your support. And I would like to thank Chuck Karupaya and for helping me with participants outreach, social media. Thank you, Chuck, for all your support. And I would like to thank the Zoom tech support team these 2 days, Indu J, Ayyappan Ilangovan, Jayakumar Krishnadas. These are the people behind that scene. Thank you so much. Also, we would like to thank the Discord tech team, Shruti Chakalingam, and the Discord moderation team, Deepthi Kulkarni and Soundarya Manikandan. We would like to thank our teen volunteers, Kavita Sundarapandian, in helping with interviewing the teen speaker, and Ashwin Chokalingam for helping us with the video editing. If I have missed out anyone, please apologize. We thank everyone who contributed to this Girls in AI Hackathon event in any manner. Before we announce the winners, we have a couple of announcements from Teens in AI. So all participants, please fill out the survey form, the post-hackathon survey form before you leave. So the survey form is posted in Discord. And also, there is another wonderful opportunity for all the girls who participated in this event. Tomorrow from 6 to 6:30 p.m., there is a participants call organized by Teens in AI. So all the participants from San Francisco will get an opportunity to chat and share their thoughts with participants from Canada and other areas, along with the Teens in AI team. So it will be a wonderful opportunity for you to see how teens in other areas participated in this hackathon. And finally, so we are here to announce the winners. So the third winning team is Grace Hopper. The second winning team is Hector Garcia Molina. And the number 1 winning team is Annie Easley. Congratulations, Annie Easley, Hector Garcia, and Grace Hopper teams. You guys did a wonderful job. And thank you for all the girls who participated in the hackathon event. So NVIDIA will ship the Jetson Nano Dev Kit directly to each member of Annie Easley team. And they said they will announce the date for the roundtable panel later. So it would be the roundtable or mentoring session would be in the late April or early May. What a wonderful way to celebrate the International Women's Day. So we now have a lot of AI superheroes who can create responsible AI solutions. And there will be a day in which there won't be any AI discrimination and biases. So thank you all so much. Thank you. So if anyone has any questions or want to share something, they can unmute and say some words.
I just want to say, amazing presentation, great lineup. Above all, the spirit of competitiveness and dedication. This is amazing. Having seen thousands of other such sessions, this was very rewarding, and must appreciate the great job done by you, Siva and team. Amazing.
Yeah,
Keep
that's
it
what
up.
I was going. That's what I was going to comment. Siva thanked everyone, but she had been working on this for the past 2 months, and it is a hackathon for conducting a hackathon. So it was compressed team work. So very well done, Siva.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vivian.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it was great. The girls were great. The presentations and it clearly shows. And as Chuck said, it shows that you probably have put in lots and lots of hours on this, Shivagami. So it's a job well done.
Thank you. Thank you, Uma.
I'll third that. Thank you. Very well organized. Thank you. And to all the participants, I have to say the judging was actually quite difficult. They were all really good. And I think it was Irina who said at the beginning that she's looking forward to welcoming all of you as colleagues. And I second that completely. The world needs you, so keep at it. Thank you.
Thank you, Guy.
Great job, and thank you for having us, Siva.
Yeah.
Thank you, Zorina.
Thank you. Great.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So,
Bye.
yeah.
All the best, everybody.
Thank you
Bye.
so much.
Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Good luck, and bye.
Good luck. And good luck to all the participants. Thank you.